You've just got to be really careful about what's been raised to what power. The raised to the power 3 is in charge of the 4 and the h, which itself is raised to the power 2 over 3. So if we want to split this all apart, we get 4 cubed multiplied by h, which is to the power 2/3, which in itself is raised to the power 3. And this is equal to 4 cubed is 64. And we've got h to the power of 2 over 3, which itself is multiplied by 3. The 3's in the index layer cancel, and we're just left with h squared. So this is equal to 64h squared. And that is the first answer. Now part B, and we've got to work out the value of k. Okay, well again, we've got a huge mixture of notations here. This is a multiplied by a to the half, divided by, well, the cube root can be transformed into a fractional power of 1/3. So this is a squared raised to the power of 1/3. Remember, even though we don't write it, this is a to the 1. So the top layer becomes a to the 1 is 2 over 2. So adding 1 over 2 to 2 over 2 gives us a to the 3 over 2. And this is divided by, and because here we multiply the powers, they very often do this in questions where they mix the addition of power rules to the multiplication of power rules. This is just 2 times 1/3. So this is 2 over 3. Now we're dividing. We've got a as a common base number, so this will be equal to a to the 3 over 2 minus 2 over 3. So if we now do a little bit of side work out what is 3 over 2 minus 2 over 3. Well, this needs to go on to a common denominator of 6. 2 into 6 goes 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 3 into 6 goes 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is equal to 5 over 6. So I can say our answer here is equal to a to the power 5 over 6. So therefore we can say that k is equal to 5 divided by 6. And that is your answer.